I've just finished doing the thermostat again on the B6. Check this out. This part was £8 off eBay, and as you can see, it is stuck open, so I've just changed it, and now it's working fine with a £30 part from Audi. Good job. So at the moment, because I can't really do anything to the Audi because all the rest of the jobs may take more than 10 minutes, I need to get the Mazda on the road again. So we're going to do the fuel pump. So I've never done this, so I assume that to get the carpet up, you've got these little tabs. I imagine they pop off, or they unbutton, or something, because they're all the way along. Not quite sure. Oh dear. Whoa! So once you have all of those little stupid flaps out, this will be almost able to come out, apart from 2 screws. There's one there, and one there. Voila! I highly recommend doing this on a day where it's sunny, so you can have the roof down or off. It's not sunny and it's raining, so I have to do it like this, unfortunately. So now we just have to pick which one has the fuel pump under. This one or that one. Let's see what's underneath this, because I don't have any other tools with me. Oh, amazing. So these are the 2 fuel lines. Don't get them the wrong way around. That's the power to the fuel pump, and yes, you have to undo these, take that off, don't get any petrol on them, and don't short them, otherwise you'll have a spark, and then all the fuel inside here will catch fire and you'll blow up. This will be longer and bigger than you expect. So this is a Kemso 340 fuel pump. It is a bit more powerful than what I got told to get, but it's also not a Walbro, so it's much cheaper. A Walbro 255 is around 80 quid. This is £37 and is more powerful. Okay, so I've had to put a couple washers in there, but apart from that, it's all on. Didn't hear the fuel pump start. Well, that didn't fix my problem, but that's how you fit a fuel pump, so there's a video. That's a fuel pump relay. It cost me nothing. On that note, subscribe to my channel if you want more Mazda or Audi content or road trips. Like the video if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!